Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello my students, how are you today? Okay, today we have English for the 6th grade, second term. Our lesson is Unit 5, Yesterday and Today, Grammar in Action, pages 36 and 37. My name is Badr Swaidan, with me teacher Saleh Al-Ajan. Okay, what you will learn today? You will learn how to distinguish the form of the verb from present to past, and chant the daily routine chant. Say what time is it according to the listening, and use usually or yesterday according to the tense. Okay, but before we start, let's make a revision for the last class. Okay, so can you tell me what is this? This is what? This is called a clock. Excellent. So we have a clock here, and we have how many numbers? We have 12. Excellent. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Excellent. So we have 12 numbers here. Okay. Now, we have two hands here. One is short and one is long. Excellent. Okay. So, if you want to ask about the time, you will say, what time is it? What time is it? So you can tell the time by using the two hands here. Okay, so now we have this digital numbers and we have, this is called analog clock. Okay, now we have this short, and the short hand here is for the hours, Okay, now what is pointing to? Pointing to number 5. Excellent. So we will say what? It's 5. Now we will talk about this. What is this? This is for the long hand. Okay, so this hand is for the minutes. Okay, and the minutes here we have 45 minutes. So the time here is what? It's 5:45. Okay, what does it mean 45? This is for the minutes. So we have 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. So each number contains 5 minutes here. Okay, so it's 5:45. This is the time here. So it is 5:45. Okay, now we have this clock here. This is the clock. Okay, now this clock is pointing to 7 and 12. Can you tell me what time is it? What time is it here? It's, look at the short one here. This is what? For 7. So it is 7 and this is on 0. So this is what? 7 o'clock. So 7 o'clock. So the zeros here called what? O'clock. O means 0. O'clock. Okay. What time is it here? It's what? Yes, 12 also o'clock. Excellent. So we have 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. What about this? What time is it here? Yes, it's 3 o'clock. Excellent. So we have, it is 3 o'clock. Okay. What about this? What time is it here? It's 8. Now, the long one is not on 0. It's on number 6. Okay. How many minutes do we have here? So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So the time here is what? It's 8:30. It's 8:30. Excellent. Okay. What about this? What time is it? It's 11:30. Excellent. So it's 11:30. That's right. Okay. What time is it here? It's 5. How many minutes do we have here? 45. Excellent. So it's 5:45. Excellent. Okay. What time is it here? It's 1:10. Excellent. So we have 5 and 5. That means 10. So it's 1:10. Excellent. Okay. What time is it here? It's 9:20. Yes. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20. So it's 9:20. Okay. What about this? What time is it here? It's, yes, 6:15. 6:40. Excellent. So we have 40 minutes here. So it's 6:40. Okay, now we have small talk. Ask your partner and get the real answers. So, number one, what time do you get up in the morning? What time do you get up? Get up from sleeping. So get up in the morning. So you will say, I usually get up at, then you can tell me what is the time. So, for example, at 5. Why? I want to go to the mosque. Why? To pray al-Fajr, for example. Okay. Number 2, what time did you get up yesterday? Yesterday, not today, not usually, yesterday. So you will say, yesterday, I got up, not get up, got up. What is the difference between get up and get up? Get up, يستيقظ. Got up, استيقظ in the past. Okay, so this is the past and this is the present. So yesterday I got up at, for example, 5:30 or 6 or 4:30. Okay, so you can put the time you get up at. Okay, now we have this. What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed? I want to go to sleep. Okay, so you will say, I usually go to bed at, for example, 8:30. For example, 9 o'clock. And you can choose any time you want. Okay, last question here. What time did you go to bed yesterday? You will say, yesterday I went, not go, go. يذهب, went, ذهب in the past. Okay, so I went to bed at, then you can say 8 o'clock, for example. Okay, now we have this question, can you interview your teacher and the friends? So we have now 2 students here, 2 boys. The first one says what? What time do you go to bed? The other person says what? I usually go to bed at 9:30. I usually. Okay, again he says, what time did you go to bed yesterday? Not usually, yesterday. What time? So he answers, yesterday I went to bed at 10 o'clock. Okay, now we have this question, point and practice saying the time. So number 1, we have this clock here, and can you tell me what time is it here? What time is it? It is 1 o'clock. Excellent. So we have it is 1 o'clock. That's right. What about this? What time is it? It's 2 o'clock. Excellent. So we have 2 o'clock. What about this? 3 o'clock. That's right. What about this? 4 o'clock. Excellent. What about this? 5 o'clock. That's right. What about this? 6 o'clock. Excellent. What about this? This is 7 o'clock. That's right. What about this? What time is it? It is 8 o'clock. That's right. What about this? What time is it? It is 9 o'clock. That's right. What time is it here? It is 10 o'clock. That's right. What about this? It is 11 o'clock. What about this? It is 12 o'clock. Excellent. Okay. Now, what you will learn today, distinguish the form of the verb from present to past. Chant, the daily routine chant. Say what time is it according to the listening. Use usually or yesterday according to the tense. Okay, let's start our lesson for today. Okay, on page now 36, page 36, we have grammar in action. Grammar in action on page 36. Okay, number 1, listen and practice saying the words in pairs. So we have listen and practice. Okay, saying the words in pairs. Okay, now we have 2 boys here. Okay, now we have number 1, the first boy says what? Get up. Get up means what? يستيقظ. This is in the present. This is in the present time. Okay, but the other boy says what? Got up. in the past. So we have get up, يستيقظ, got up, استيقظ in the past. So this is in the present and this is in the past. Present, get up, got up, get up, got up. Okay, the boy here says what? Number 2, eat lunch. Eat lunch, maybe afternoon. Okay, so eat lunch. Okay, what about eat lunch in the past? So it will become ate lunch. So we have eat lunch, ate lunch, eat, ate. Okay, after that, number 3, we have come home, go to home, come home. In the past, you will say came home. So come, came, come, came in the past. Okay, number 4, do my homework. I come from school to home and I do my homework. So I do in the present. What about in the past? Maybe yesterday. So I will say what? Did my homework. So I do my homework, did my homework. Okay, do, did, do, did. Okay, number 5, take a bath. Take a bath. So you go to the bathroom and take a shower. So take a bath. Okay, this is in the present. What about in the past? You will say took a bath. So you have take, took, take, took in the past. Okay. Number 6, go to bed. Go to bed. In the past, you will say went to bed. Went, go, went, go, went. Excellent. Okay. Now, we have number 2, listen, point, and chant. So listen, point with your finger, and chant, say it together. Okay, so number 1, we have this boy, and this boy is what? Getting up from sleeping. Okay, so we have usually and we have yesterday. Usually, I usually get up at 5, but yesterday I got up, not get up, got up, okay, at maybe 6. Okay, so we have get up, got up. What does it mean usually? غالبا. Okay, what does it mean yesterday? أمس. Excellent. So we have usually get up, but yesterday I got up. Got. So we have G-O-T, got up. Okay, number 2, we have this boy and he's eating lunch. Okay, so usually the boy eats lunch at maybe 3 o'clock, but yesterday he ate lunch at maybe 4. Okay, yesterday ate. Okay, but usually eat. Okay, after that, number 3, we have this man. Okay, so usually he comes home at maybe 9, but yesterday he came in the past. Okay, came home at maybe 10. Okay, number 4, we have this boy and he does so I do my homework, but yesterday I did my homework at maybe 7. Okay, so do, but yesterday did. Okay, did my homework. Okay, number 5, we have this baby and I take a bath. I take a bath. Okay, but yesterday I took a bath. I took a bath in the day before yesterday. Okay, after that we have number 6. We have a girl. She is sleeping. Okay, so usually I go to bed at maybe 9 o'clock, but yesterday, not usually, yesterday I went to bed at maybe 9:30. Okay, so we have usually and we have yesterday. Okay, now on page 37, number 3, what time is it? What time is it? Okay, now can you listen to the sentences and point to the time on the clocks? Okay, so what you will do, you will listen and point to the clocks you hear. Okay, now what time is it? Okay, so we have this time. Okay, what time is this? This is, yes. Okay, so we have 7 o'clock, we have 7:30, we have, what is this? 9 o'clock, excellent. What is this? 9:30, perfect. What about number 5? It is 1:10, that's right. Number 6, it is 2:20. Okay, number 7, it is 4:15. Number 8, it is 5:30. Number 9, we have 5:10. Number 10, we have 9:25. Number 11, we have 10:15. Number 12, we have 11:45. Okay, now you will listen and tell me which one is this.
It's 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock.
Okay, it's 9 o'clock. Where is it? Yes, excellent. So this is 9 o'clock. That's right. Okay, let's listen to another one.
It's 1:10. It's 1:10.
Okay, can you tell me? Yes, that's right. So it is 1:10. That's right. Let's listen again.
It's 9:30.
This is 9:30. Okay, after that?
It's 4:15.
Where is it? That's right, 4:15.
It's 11:45.
That's right, excellent. After that?
It's 5:30.
Okay, that's right, perfect. Okay, after
It's 2:20.
where is it? 2:20, excellent. And this is number 6. After that?
It's 5:10.
Where is it? That's right, 5:10. Number 9.
It's 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock, where is it? Yes, excellent. So this is number 1.
It's 9:25.
9:25, where is it? Yes, excellent. So we have 9:25. This is for number 10.
It's 7:30.
7:30, where is it? Yes, excellent. We have 7:30. It's number 2.
It's 10:15.
It's 10:15. Where is it? That's right. So it is 10:15. It's number 11. That's right. Okay, now on page 173, okay, we have this question. Number 1, read and practice. You will see now some sentences. You will listen and say with him. Okay, practice. Let's start.
Get up, got up. Get up, got up. Go to bed, went to bed. Go to bed, went to bed. Eat lunch, ate lunch. Eat lunch, ate lunch. Come home, came home. Come home, came home. Take a bath, took a bath. Take a bath, took a bath.
Do my homework, did my homework. Do my homework, did my homework.
Okay, number 2, listen and chant. Okay, now let's read them together. I usually, say it with me, I usually eat lunch at 12 o'clock. I usually eat lunch at 12 o'clock. Yesterday, I ate lunch at 1 o'clock. I usually come home at 3 o'clock. Yesterday, I came home at 3:30. I usually do my homework at 5:30. Yesterday, I did my homework at 8:30. I usually take a bath at 8 o'clock. Yesterday, I took a bath at 6:30. Okay. Now, number 3, write the past tense forms. Okay. I take a bath. Okay. So after that we have what? I, but we will change the present to past. So we have take, it will be what? Took. Excellent. So I took a bath. Okay. Number 2, I do my homework. I what? Did. Excellent. I did my homework. This is in the past. So we have present and we have past. Okay. Now, on page 174, number 1, read and practice. So we have some sentences here. Let's read them together. 1 o'clock, 1 o'clock. 2 o'clock, 2 o'clock. 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock. 4 o'clock, 4 o'clock. 5 o'clock, 5 o'clock. 6 o'clock, 6 o'clock. 7 o'clock, 7 o'clock. 8 o'clock, 8 o'clock. 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock. 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock. 11 o'clock, 11 o'clock. 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Okay, so those are our objectives today, and this is the end of our lesson today. I hope you enjoy it. See you next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.